Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out this hair dryer. It's a hot airbrush. It has a variety of attachments. As you can see, my hair is currently air drying, but I'm going to use this to fully dry and style my hair. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So first impression, I have taken it completely out of the box. As you can see, it comes with its own little case. So let me go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it is kind of a harder case. That's what the inside looks like. It actually has multiple compartments in here. All right, so in one of the slots, you get the little glove. You also get an instruction manual. So it's going to walk you through, explain to you your hairstyler. You also get 2 clips. You also get this velvet bag, as you could see. You get another styling guide. So this is actually going to walk you through the different settings on your air styler, like the on and off, the different heat settings, the airflow, whether you want it high or low. And it actually rotates, so you could go ahead and rotate the hair styler, use it straight or facing upward. It has the different attachments. I really like this, especially when it comes to an air wrap style of hair drying, because a lot of the times you don't know what way to style your hair. So it actually lets you know how much hair to properly put, how to actually do it, the volume brush, the round brush, the paddle brush. So it actually walks you through every single brush and what it does for your hair and how to properly use it. Super cool. So especially if you're a beginner or you don't know how to use each attachment, this is perfect because this is actually a very beginner friendly guide that guides you step by step in knowing how to properly use your hair styler. All right, so this is the other part of the case. As you can see, all the attachments are in the case itself. So we can go ahead and take out the attachments and show you what they look like. Okay, so here I have the hair dryer. As you can see on the back side here, it does have a lock and unlock button. So we're gonna go ahead and flip that over. And the cool thing about this is that you could actually change the rotation of the dryer head. So take a look. So you could face it upward, you could face it towards one side, you could face it straight forward. That is super cool. I haven't really seen something like this. They're all either facing up or they're facing straight forward. So this is pretty cool that you are able to unlock it and change the rotation of the dryer head. On the front side here, we have the normal settings, which is the on and off, the heat settings, and the speed. So I'm going to go through each of the accessories that are included. As you can see here, we have the auto wrap curlers. These are 1.25 inches. So you could see, and you do get 2 because you get a left and a right side one. And the way to identify that is that it does have an L for the left side and it also has an R for the right side. So with these, your hair is actually going to wrap around the barrel and it's going to curl your hair in opposite directions depending whether you're using the left wand or the right hand curler. So here we have the oval brush, and what is unique about this one is that it does have 2 types of bristles. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look. As you could see, those rounded off bristles, those are going to be used to smoothing and shining your hair, and the middle bristles, the ones you see right here in the middle, those are for combing and detangling your hair. So this oval brush smooths, defrizzes, and adds a volume. So right here we have our round brush. The round brush has smoothing bristles around the edge, grabbing, smoothing, and shining, and the middle ones for detangling. This one's great, especially if you have medium length hair, short hair, or even for bangs. This one is perfect to get that nice volume added to your hair. All right, next right here I have the paddle brush. As you can see, this one also has those nice bristles. This one will straighten and smooth your hair out. So this is perfect for straightening, detangling, and styling your hair. This one will help you straighten and smooth your hair out. Right here we have styling concentrator. So this one actually attaches. This one works basically as a blow dryer. So it is used to dry and style your hair. So this one right here is if you want to wear your natural hair and give them that natural bounce, you could go ahead and use this diffuser. This one's going to go ahead and style your hair, give you that nice shine, give you that bounce. This gives you a fast and even dry from the root to the tip of your hair. So you basically could go ahead and grab your hair and dry it, and gives you that natural curl. And the great thing about this is that it gives you less frizz and more shine. All right, so let's go ahead and try it out. Today, I'm actually going to be using the Air Wrap Stylers. I want to go ahead and smooth curl my hair. As you can see, my hair has that frizz. My hair is just naturally wavy, so I actually want to dry it and style my hair. So I'll be using these right here. So let's go ahead and try it out. So what you want to do first is you want to select the attachment that you will be using. Then I'm kind of just showing you how it swivels. I went ahead and attached the right hand barrel. Then I'm showing you how simple it is to swap it out. Now I'm switching it out to the left hand side. I do want one side of my curls to go inward and then the other side as well. This was so easy to do. As you could see, it's drying, styling my hair, and it was actually pretty powerful, very strong. I like how shiny and smooth my hair got. I'm about to finish the other half of my hair, but I wanted to show you the difference. This side has been fully done. Take a look, the nice soft waves. And this is what my hair naturally looks like, the frizz, the unstyled hair. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you a comparison between the right hand side of my hair and the left hand side. So I'm gonna go ahead and completely finish it off and then I'll show you what it looks like. So if you've been on the lookout for an all-in-one solution, I absolutely loved it. It curled, it styled my hair, gave it shine, it brought back life to my hair, it gave it volume. Then I would highly recommend. I'm so excited to try the additional attachments. So if you've been on the lookout for something that could straighten, give your hair volume, curl your hair, not only dry your hair but style your hair, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. It's also available in another color, so I'll go ahead and link it down below for you. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.